Do you want to make map animations like this in Canva? Today I will show you the easiest way to make this type of videos. You click on social media, click on YouTube thumbnail as the canvas. Now scroll all the way down to apps here, and in search here write map video and click on this first app. So choose the video duration as 10 seconds and I will keep the plane icon this one, and I will choose the first country as Germany and the second country I will choose as Australia. Okay, and I will tick mark both of them and click on create video. Click on add to design and make it to the same size as the canvas. And let's play and see how it works. And this is how you make the Canva map animation easily. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.